Hello traders and welcome to ChrisFX. Today I will show you how to place trades on the DXTrade platform. You know that most of the trading companies, the prop firms I shall say, are moving to DXTrade, and hence you need to know how to use it, even though it is very buggy at the beginning at least. Let's see how this whole thing evolves. I have placed some random orders right here, to random buys. I haven't placed a stop loss because I want to show you how you can trade. Let's first go ahead and say that you can choose any of those assets that you see in the left of your screen, on the left of your screen. For the moment I am on Euro US dollar. If you now go ahead and click exactly right here where I'm gonna show you, look where my mouse is pointing, this button right here, then you can go on chart settings and you can change the background or anything else that you want to change. You can remove, as an example, this Euro US dollar sign in the middle. You can do all of those things. Furthermore, of course, you can also change the color of the bars from green and red to anything that you want. Now, let's go ahead and show there are some very good things on DXTrade. Such a good thing is the following. If I go ahead now and buy without having one-click trading activated, you see this one-click trading, I don't have it activated. Let's say that I want to buy here. When I buy, I can go ahead and say protection orders. Look at this because this is very, very important. Now you don't need any other software to calculate your stop loss. If you go to the stop loss and check on it, then hover your mouse over here and see, as an example, that this value is 1.8559. Let's type it here, 559. It must be below 554. It says, okay, let's do it 550 as an example. Okay. Now you see the percentage of balance that is being risked if I place 0 point down lots. So if I place 5 lots right here, the percentage of balance that is being risked now is 2.8, for example. So you can easily calculate, as an example, if you want 2.5% as an example risk, you go to 4.5 and you quickly adjust it to 4.4 and you can check it out over here. You can send your order. And of course you can place your take profit, or you can send an order as it is with this stop loss, let's say, as an example. Okay, now I have placed a stop loss. There is the stop loss. And you can go later on and say, I want to place a take profit, let's say at 1.08, what is that? 654. And modify. And now this trade has a take profit as well. Okay, now this is if you have those things, the one-click trading deactivated. If you want to close now partial profits without having the one-click trading activated again, you can go to the individual, let's say, position. Let's say that I want to trim this one because I believe it is a lot. Okay, it is 0.1 lots and I want to trim some of the loss or some of the win. When there is a win, you can go ahead and say 0.05 and close position. So now I have closed half of this position that you see down here. Another thing that you can do, if you want to close everything at the same time, you can go ahead. Where is it? It should be up here. Yeah, I think it is over here. Yeah, you see this X sign, it says close all positions. Now this whole thing you can also take, I'm not going to do it now, from this area, you see this area right here, and move it somewhere, let's say below this area. It is way too convenient to do that as well. As a matter of fact, I had it like that, I just placed it as it is. So if I now click on this one, you can close all your positions at the same time. These things are if you want to be able, as I said, to calculate also your position easily through this platform. If you want to buy instantly or to sell instantly, you activate the one-click trading. I'm going to go ahead now and close all of those positions because this is a challenge account that I'm taking. You can do all of those things. Now, if I was to open a position instantly with the one-click trading activated, not on this account because this is the account that I have passed already, I will go on and move to the other account. There is a little bit of lag, of course, first. So here I was able to finally open this account again. So as I said, if I'm to sell instantly with one-click trading activated, I go ahead and sell instantly. You can see the profit and loss here. You can also see it up here when it appears, and the margin level and the free margin you can also see on the top of the screen. Okay, but you can also watch it here down on the bottom for every single individual trade, and you can close it as well instantly now because you have the one-click trading activated. Personally, I want it to be deactivated so that I can go ahead and calculate my stop loss exactly. So again, I start, let's say, with 2 lots in the stop loss as an example of 1.08619, whatever. Let's say it is somewhere around here. 635 it says, it should be whatever. Now guys, this is a bug probably, but this would be 2 lots would be 1.15% of the account. So if I want with this stop loss to risk less, I can say 1.95, and now you see this is 1.10, 1.80, let's say 1.8 is 1%. So it is nothing different if it is 1.02% or 1.01%. You can do that easily by adjusting a little bit the lots. As you can see now, I'm risking almost exactly 1% if I want, and you can send the order instantly. Those are the most important parts and the parts that you will be struggling when you start with this one, with this platform. Nonetheless, up here you have your dashboard. Right here you can see the dashboard right here. And of course, I haven't traded this account at all. You see the total profit and loss. This account is in profit. It is a $10,000 account. It is in a small profit, but from the transitioning, I haven't placed any trades, actually, just a little bit only. And here is the trading journal where I was mostly experimenting, technical analysis, and also economic calendar, guys. There's a lot of stuff that you can use right here, but the most important things are those things that I showed you. Furthermore, here you can click on the arrow, go ahead and choose the rectangle tool, let's say, and you can go ahead and say, I want to highlight these positions right here, these fair value gaps or whatever you want to highlight, so that you have everything in this platform as well. Also trend lines and all of these precious things, you can have everything. You have everything right here, as you also have it, and you can adjust it in the TradingView platform, guys. So it is not as bad as I thought it would be. There are a lot of things that you can do, plus the fact that you can calculate your stop loss instantly. This is absolutely fantastic, guys. So if they go ahead and fix all of the bugs and all of the other stuff that's going on, the lag, the extreme lag that we are facing in the current moment, let's say, then everything is gonna be fantastic. These are the most important things. Of course, you can do the cursor of your mouse like that or play up and down here. Those are things that you can do, of course, in order to maximize or minimize your chart, and I have no idea what I have done right here, guys. So those are the most important things that I should show you. There is nothing crazy going on with this platform. You can go ahead and trade easily with just the things that I have shown you, and you can experiment and check out up here if you want to add, let's say, any other workspace. It is totally up to you guys. Okay, so this is gonna do it for this little tutorial. Thank you all for watching, and guys, this Saturday a spectacular strategy based on ICT's unicorn model is coming, so stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.